Hey there viewers, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. Today is going to be another unboxing video. This is the Boss Marine Radio. It's supposed to fit in your dash in place of a gauge. I'm going to be using this in a camper instead. The model of this is the MGR350B. So, this is water resistant on the face, but not the whole unit, so you cannot submerge it in water. It says it can do 240 watts. What's up here? There's your mounting specs for it right there. Okay. And this is Bluetooth, so I just received this off of Amazon Prime, so I have now opened it up, as you can see. So, let's crack her open together. Okay. So here we are, the first thing you get. A little pamphlet for you. User manual, things like that. Can't forget to give them a thumbs up on Facebook. But hey, speaking of thumbs up, go ahead and if you like this video so far, hit that thumbs up. So, there you go. Ooh. There's your little mounting bracket. Nothing more than a U-shaped piece of aluminum. Oh, that's a cap. Okay, so you can cover it up on the dash so it protects you from the sun. That's kind of cool. And of course you get all your little mounting hardware, jiggly bits. And of course, if you get hungry, you can always have some styrofoam to snack on. And here's the unit itself. Ooh! They even supply the candy. No, just kidding. Don't eat this. Out of the packaging here. There it is. Isn't that pretty? So, it does come with a little layout here so you can figure out which wires are what. Obviously, here's your 3 power wires. And your constant, your switch source, and your ground. And of course, you got your 4 typical speaker wire colors. So you got your gray, gray and black, white, white and black, violet, violet and black, and then your green and green and black. And then of course you have the blue turn-on wire for if you're going to run an amplifier. USB, this does charge, but it's a very slow rate, so don't really recommend it for charging. And of course you have 3 sets of RCAs, front line out, your rear or sub, as you can see, it says rear or sub, which is kind of nice. And then the last one is going to be your auxiliary in. So there you go. Then of course you got your standard antenna jack. Now, I picked this up pretty decent off of Amazon Prime. It was like after tax it was like 85 or 86 bucks shipped. So I don't know how these work. This is my first one. Don't know how well they work, I should say. But This will be going in our camper that we're getting. It's a pop-up, so that does not have a radio already. And I figure this will be easy enough to do. So that's that. And I'll show a video of this in the camper running later on. So keep an eye out for that video. So that pretty much is going to conclude the unboxing of the Boss MGR350B. So if you liked the video, give me a big thumbs up. There you go. Big thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button and ring that bell so you know when I roll out more videos. And have a good one.